Hello aspirants, welcome to AQ by Guess YouTube channel. This video is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about self-help groups. So before we discuss that, let me contextualize why we are discussing about these groups. So recently, Prime Minister Modi interacted with women of various self-help groups. He lauded their efforts in providing unprecedented services during this corona period. In fact, he recognized their efforts in providing food to the needy, and he actually praised their contribution in preparing the mask and sanitizers. On this occasion, he released a compendium of success stories of these women. In fact, he praised his own government. He said his government has been putting efforts for the development of these SSGs. He said before his government, all these women were far away from the banking system. But his government launched a massive campaign of Jandan accounts. So Jandan accounts were opened, and now the idea of financial inclusion is becoming real. So from the exams perspective, we'll try to know what these SSGs are and the importance. So this topic becomes extremely important from your mains perspective. So these SSGs are informal associations. It means people who share same socio-economic background, they come together and they form this informal association. Informal association means that there is no hierarchy, there is no proper structuring. So all these people, they are at the same level. Now there are some people in rural India, they are not that educated, they do not have access to formal credit. So all these people can be, a part of these SSGs. In fact, these SSCs, they act as this guarantee system for the bank as well. So if you want to approach any bank, so these SSGs can be a collateral for you. Now, what are the functions of these SSGs? The first important function is that it builds the functional capacity. It means it generates the livelihood opportunities, employment opportunities, and second, it resolves the conflicts. So if there are conflicts, then those conflicts can be resolved by these self-help groups. The third most important function is that it creates the awareness. So that there are so many evil practices which are prevalent in rural India. So these self-help groups can play a vital role in creating the awareness, like dowry system, and so many SSGs, they have been doing it. They have been running campaign against dowry system. And the most important function that I consider is creating awareness about gender issues. And already so many women SSGs, they have been running campaign against gender inequality. So if a question is asked in the mains examination, you must be aware of all these functions. So let me rewind it for you. You must be knowing about SSGs, that these are informal associations. You must be aware of the functions, and you must be aware of the benefits. So just remember, if you do not have access to a formal credit, then obviously these SSGs can be a big help for you. These SSGs play a vital role in resolving conflict, in building functional capacity, in generating employment, livelihood opportunities, in creating awareness. So many functions at the grassroots level. So this topic is extremely important for your mains examination, and I have provided the content in the PPT. You can go through this content, you can download it for revising for your mains examination. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. And so that's all I wanted to tell you regarding this topic. I'll see you in the next session soon. Thank you very much.